Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable autopay for mortgage with Wells Fargo, beginner guide step by step clearly. To enable autopay for your mortgage with Wells Fargo, begin by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Log into your online banking account using your username and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab. Find the mortgage account you wish to set up for autopay. Click on the account to access its details. Look for the Payment Options or Manage Payments section. Select the option for autopay or recurring payments. You will be prompted to choose your payment date. Select a date that aligns with your account balance and personal budgeting. Next, enter the amount you wish to pay each month. You may want to select the full monthly payment for your mortgage. After that, choose the funding source from which the payment will be made. This could be your checking or savings account. Review the terms and conditions regarding autopay. Ensure that you understand any potential fees or guidelines. Once you have verified all the details, confirm your autopay setup. You may receive a confirmation message on screen or via email. Keep this confirmation for your records. To finalize the process, log out of your online account securely. You have now successfully set up autopay for your mortgage with Wells Fargo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.